Let's check out the Honda Odyssey in this quick overview powered by Capital One Auto Navigator. The 2026 Honda Odyssey is available in 4 trim levels: EXL, Sport L, Touring, and Elite. All of them are what used to be considered upper trim levels. Leather seats are even standard. This should help explain why the Odyssey's pricing starts so much higher than other minivans at around $44,000. Inside, the Odyssey features the innovative Magic Slide second row. The middle seat is removable, and the outboard seats can slide sideways in addition to the usual forward and back. This versatility allows your family to have the seating configuration that works best for your specific needs. It also allows every Odyssey to carry up to 8 people. Every Odyssey also has a 9-inch touchscreen, a wireless phone charger, a sunroof, and power sliding doors with sunshades. All the driver assistance technologies are standard too. The Touring and Elite add a rear entertainment system, third-row sunshades, and the CabinWatch camera that lets the driver see what's going on in the back rows. The Odyssey only comes with a 280 horsepower V6 engine that gets 22 miles per gallon combined. There's no hybrid available, so it can't match the efficiency of the Toyota Sienna or Kia Carnival hybrids. The Odyssey also doesn't offer all-wheel drive. For more information about the Honda Odyssey, check out Capital One Auto Navigator.